is some feel-good music, man. Musa Keys coming through with this Shrill and Nobantu Vilagazi. This one is Vulamlomo. It is a killer jam, man, coming through at 12 after 8 o'clock right here on the drive-through on Peli FM and, of course, on Commuter FM 87.6. And, of course, as always, on a beautiful Monday, we're joined by Radi Fuba. Phela itaka iya amile. O ka ra bere bulletproof mo ka. Just a fair.
Gare safe. Gare safe.
With you around, we are never safe, my man. We're never safe. With anyone with a chest that big just makes everyone uncomfortable.
How? Why? How?
Everybody just becomes uncomfortable.
But I'm very happy. Man, look at this guy's looking good.
No.
An epitome of how a man is supposed to
what?
Look.
Besides looking good. Now, not epitome. Besides looking good. It's just like, you know you can never do anything wrong.
And besides,
also you are forced to behave. Every time
There's just that.
why it's also ropa.
Every time it's like Hona listen because Lily na has na letlapelo just snacks.
Okay.
But kono ba no kuka all day.
Literally, I think that happened to me. Like the person's just happy and like it's nothing, violent like that. No kuka.
I celebrate.
Whoa.
Plus we no ka rong go to. Very, very unsafe to be around you. How you doing, brother?
Very well, man. Very well. Can't complain. Had a nice weekend. Kaizer Chiefs on, and then I was with my kids. We had fun.
Family Sundowns won.
It was amazing. Yellow and gold.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, they won nothing, by the way.
Just so you know.
They won nothing but a game.
We are happy.
Which is what they are supposed to do.
You know what they say? Haters gonna hate.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Haters gonna hate.
And potatoes
Gonna potate.
That's right. Say the full thing if you're going to say it, man. That's all I'm saying. All right, let's get straight to it.
Coffee Chats on the drive-through.
Peli FM 95.0.
Hey, I've been thinking about social media recently, especially watching Woody podcast, the lead interview, and just seeing how social media has ruined people's lives. There was the Alabuga thing, where people went on trial and were like, yeah, you guys are human traffickers, and we didn't even have any information. Or more, it's just a lifestyle that's being portrayed on social media, right? Where it's like young girls are looking up to these women, but they're getting 300K for a man to talk to them.
And that's happening now.
Like in our lifetime, like right now.
Okay, social media. I think that ain't
So as much as we can accept that social media has also opened doors and opportunities, there are some cons. So we're asking today on our hashtag Coffee Chats, what do you hate about social media? Tell us on 079-217-9999.
Everything.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Everything.
All right.
Please elaborate.
Like there's one thing that I love about social media is that you speak to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Rest of it, nonsense.
So you can tell a lot of people a bunch of nothing.
You know what I'm saying?
Can say whatever you wanna say.
Yeah, man.
There's no regulation on it. People tell lies on it. There's a lot that's spread on it. There's gang mentality.
Okay.
Yo, man.
People have gangs. People wanna gang up against you. There's so much negativity.
Especially
Yeah.
Especially the social media that used to be a bird.
Yeah. That one.
You know what I don't like? Motivation sometimes and advice. Because in 30 seconds someone says something and then people take it without even thinking about it or looking into it. So someone can say something like, don't marry for love, marry for purpose. And you're like, yeah, all right, man. You shouldn't marry for love. What's your purpose? Because you don't know. So I think the advice that we're sometimes they're not like, celebrity when you apply in your relationship.
And also, just after that post, they maybe go motivate a need. Just after you know, go the baby what's no one at TD Jakes? What
Bauda?
You know what?
Jiggy hotla racism, jiggy hotla tribalism, jiggy
Baba Bastraika.
Colorism.
Now on the same timeline. I'm just saying, with social media right now, I think people are now using it for the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
You understand? And I believe that with how the economy is right now, people are just trying to do anything to get money. Right now, when you post on Facebook or whatever, you initially just can make money, like, from posts. So people just want engagement. Then how do you get engagement? Because if you tell the truth, no one's going to listen. So you just got to go the controversy way.
Was there ever a time, though, where it was used proper?
Yes.
Because when was it used proper?
Remember those when Instagram was the brown, in a level brown.
Facebook is on free mode.
You were literally it was photo albums. It was.
You remember
you get 3 likes. You're like, oh my goodness, it's amazing.
No. You remember what the exit? The toilet. Like it has always been. It has always been
after
like,
toilet to go.
Negativity no thing.
And I think whole trouble is combining the toilet.
But combine everything in one.
Mixing the toilets.
Mixing.
But mix the toilet, but mix the like, what is there not to hate about social media?
And also it influences the kids, as you were saying, that now someone sees something and thinks it's normal, just to post half naked for the likes and all of that because they want to be with a certain person.
Or they think that it makes sense that a 27-year-old can go and buy luxury cars or $1 million homes.
Because someone says it's okay. Someone says that this is the life.
This is how I did it.
Yeah, they don't even explain how they got into that.
Another
thing. I know one explain it. Nalemo Showmax, I can speak about it because it no longer exists.
Oh, wow.
Nalemo Showmax and that show.
They play your music.
It makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Not forgotten.
Gone but not forgotten.
R.I.P. We must have a moment for Showmax.
Yeah.
Let's have a moment of silence.
Also, for me, I think I can be the devil's also
a moment of silence.
Right? Yeah, all right.
Continue saying.
No, so I'm saying at least that one she was honest. She said this is what I do. She explained some of her stories. And one of them she said I got 1.5 for cleaning someone's feces. Because
with what? I don't understand.
We are here. It's the experience. I am escorting you.
That's why I say we look at things on social media and you think that one person's experience applies to everybody. And no, life is circumstantial. Like I make an example of circumstances. Okay. Look at where you're from, where you're going. Once as social media, Ekapeli FM.
Come on, life is circumstantial.
You need to look at your circumstances. Like, for example, a dog in urban areas is a man's best friend. Kokasi, it's a security guard. It has to bark and bite.
And
so Kokasi is security guard.
I dangerous.
Why one? So Kokasi is security guard. Go China.
Okay.
Want to see the world in crystal clear focus? Look no further. Spectacle